While Milton came here as a Category 1, we certainly felt its impact. I want to paint a picture for you overnight as we were hunkering down during the height of this storm. It was howling. The wind was howling. At times when we were in the hotel, it felt like a subway train was coming by because the building was rumbling from the ferocity of the winds at up to 90-mile-an-hour gusts, which is what's being reported. 8 to 10 inches of rain also fell on Daytona Beach.
Now, as you survey damage and clean up, please be cautious of hazards.
If you've never understood the power of a hurricane, here's what it's like. Water in the parking lot of Publix. As you can see, it's falling over.